What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Cancel Me by Dominic Fike. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell or I'll beat your dick off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. It's got 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and it's always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is going to be C major. It's 032010. Then you need an E7, which is 020100. And then an F major bar chord, it's 133211. Once you get those chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.